Whether you are a private company seeking expansion capital to generate growth and jobs, or endeavoring to establish a new business leveraging your past track record of success, ICD can help. ICD directly invests in corporate equity for deal size of $5 to $50 million, or even more with partners. Moreover, ICD can act as a long-term investor, more than 5 years, as long as return and development objectives are met. In addition, ICD can provide assistance to support firms in projecting international expansion, undertaking joint ventures, and raising capital. Priority is given to high-growth firms and to projects that contribute to the local economy or intra-regional trade, have a strong export and job creation potential, provide new technology transfer, involve creation of new or rehabilitated infrastructure as great market enablers. All companies seeking direct equity investment should be in any Sharia-compliant sector other than financial services, require $5 to $40 million of the project equity and mezzanine, demonstrate project feasibility, competent management, and sound corporate governance, and show clear developmental impact. Corporate equity can be provided both for existing firms and new firms. For existing firms, eligible companies should show an EBITDA growing at least 10% over 3 to 5 years and be at least $4 million and be profitable for at least 2 to 3 years. New firms should respect the following criteria. The sponsor should have a demonstrated track record of success in the same industry and should be profitable for at least 3 years. For infrastructure projects, ICD would be looking for an off-take agreement, preferably with a government guarantee. ICD offer medium to long-term finance to new or existing enterprises for balancing, modernization and pure expansions, new production lines, or raw materials and machinery purchase, and infrastructure projects focusing on the power, transport and social sectors. The senior debt size sought is $5 to $50 million. Typical ICD financing packages average between 4 to 8 years for industry and up to 15 years for infrastructure projects. As a percentage of project cost, ICD financing cannot exceed 33% for Greenfield projects or 50% for Brownfield projects. ICD provides up to 2-year short-term finance where operational cash flow is insufficient to finance growth. This can be for trade finance, working capital, or bridge finance. In addition, we can also mobilize resources for financing a project through co-financing or syndications. Collateral for ICD term finance can include pledge or mortgage of various assets, bank, corporate or personal guarantees, or assignment of identified receivables to an escrow account. Sample projects include Abul Khair Steel Mills Limited, Bangladesh, Oriental Food Industries Limited, Nigeria, Leading Force Stone Crushing Project, Uzbekistan. To study your project financing possibility, please send us a formal request and a project brief to our business development team. In case of a positive initial assessment, the concerned department will contact you. As the leading experts in Islamic finance, ICD can help.